When your A.O. Smith electric water heater isn't providing hot water or the water isn't hot enough, there are specific troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the problem. There are two main scenarios: complete lack of hot water or water that's warm but not hot enough. Each requires a systematic approach to diagnosis. Let's start with the no hot water problem. Follow these steps in order for the most efficient diagnosis. First, check your home's electrical panel. A tripped circuit breaker is the most common cause of no hot water. Look for a breaker that's in the middle position or has moved to the off position. If the breaker wasn't the issue, move to step 2, testing the heating elements. Next, test the heating elements using a multimeter. Turn off power first for safety. A good heating element should show resistance between 5 and 25 ohms. The image shows proper testing technique with a voltage tester. Step 3 involves checking the thermostats and reset button. Check the thermostats for proper operation and locate the reset button, usually red or black, near the thermostat. Press it firmly until you hear a click to reset the high limit switch. Now let's address the insufficient heat problem, which has some different considerations. For insufficient heat, first check the thermostat setting. The recommended temperature is 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which provides hot water while preventing dangerous scalding. If the temperature setting is already correct, follow the same heating element and thermostat testing procedures we covered for the no hot water problem. Remember, safety is paramount. Always turn off power before performing any tests or repairs, and don't hesitate to contact a professional if you're not comfortable with electrical work. When your water heater overheats, the first step is to test the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can cause water temperatures to exceed safe levels. Check your temperature setting and lower it if needed. The recommended safe temperature is 120 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent scalding. For water leaks, inspect the temperature and pressure relief valve, commonly called the T and P valve, located at the top of your water heater. Also check the drain valve at the bottom of the tank. Ensure it is completely closed to prevent leaks from this connection point. Look for signs of internal tank leaks, which may indicate corrosion. Water pooling around the base or rust stains are warning signs of tank failure. Strange noises like popping or rumbling sounds often indicate sediment buildup in the tank. This sediment settles at the bottom and causes these characteristic sounds during heating. The solution for sediment buildup is to flush the tank. This removes accumulated sediment and restores proper heating function while eliminating the noise. Safety is paramount when working on water heaters. Always turn off the power before performing any repairs and use appropriate safety gear, including insulated tools and eye protection. Finally, if your water heater is 10 to 15 years old and requires frequent repairs, consider replacement. Older units become less efficient and more prone to failure.